YouTube, what's going on? It's Olkellz back, finally. I know, I've been gone for a bit, but hey, I've been extremely busy with life and everything else that's been going on. So, I just haven't had time to get to the cars like I should have. Just a little update of what's been going on. Chris, he got married. It was a beautiful wedding. And him and Ran there. Real happy.
Daddy.
Yes, son.
Come here.
Give me a minute. Y'all see what's going on. Anyway, as far as everything else, the cars have been sitting idle. The Z is right here. Today, we're going to do a little something to it. I'm going to review these daytime running lights and these fog lights I got. They're LED and they're supposed to be like the HID color white, the 6K, I think is what it is, 5 or 6K. I'm going to get the package here in a second. We're going to install those today and we're going to do a review on those. So, with that being said, let's dive into it. All right, y'all. So, the first things first. These are the lights I got. These are from jdmtoy.com. I picked these not based on price. I was looking at reviews. These are going to be the daytime running lights. And back when I had an SS, I think I ran these or something similar. I don't remember what brand they were. They were pretty good, but this is the part number on them. It is just the daytime running lights. They're LEDs. They're white. As you can tell, it says white there. I think they're 5 or 6,000. I'm not sure. 5 or 6K. I don't remember which one they are. But these are going to be my daytime running lights here. And then we have these as my fog lights. They come from, I guess, alla lighting. I've never used them before, but they're supposed to be good, and they come with a 1-year warranty. I was reading the reviews on them, which you can kind of see what they are. Here's the code. Let's see if I can get it. If you pause the video and scan it or screenshot it, maybe that might help. I don't know, but this is what they are. Gives you all that good little stuff. And the part, oh, let me tell y'all this. For fog lights, part H11s, P13s, I believe is what it was. P13 or something like that, which that is the part number for it. So, without further ado, let's get to tearing this bad baby apart. All right, so we're right here at the wheel well. I didn't want to take my whole wheel off to do this. Got my handy dandy little light. It's been through a few things, but hey, we still going strong about, I don't know, 10 years later, who knows. And it's padded right there, so I don't have to worry about scratching my rim. Anyway, what you want to do, you have to get right behind here to access the lights. So what you're going to want to do, 1, 2, 3. You take all 3 of these off. You should be able to pull the plastic piece. You'll be able to pull that back, and you should be able to reach through there and get to your lights. So I'm gonna get these out and get to it. Guys, I almost forgot to tell y'all, I used a T15 Torx bit to get the screws out of the fender. And it's a T15 Torx bit. Alright, because I know some of y'all are going to freak. Everything's okay. I made a little contraption so I could hold that back versus taking the wheel off, because I'm not an overachiever, basically. And there you have your daytime running light up top, your fog light at the bottom. This is not hurting the plastic, nor is it hurting my rim, just so y'all know. Okay. This is the fog light. So it just twists out and you pull it out. Voila. Fog light is out. You just unclip the pin. Oops. Just unclip the pin and you take it off, clip the new one on. Okay, so basically the way these work, just like a standard, some standard fog lights, you pull this tab out, you pull this tab out. So those two little tabs on the side, that's what hold the harness in place. It just clips on there. Basically, you just pull each side off and this slides right out. Now, let's look at some differences in between the two. Okay. Not supposed to touch the light bulb, whatever, I don't care. The LED is much more round, but also looks like it has, let's see, has a light there. It comes out of the top and all around. Let's see, you can see the LED inside of there, but it lights up all around versus just a halogen, just filament. So these should be much more brighter, and really just wanted to match my halos. I hated the halogen color anyway, just the soft yellow or soft white or whatever you want to call it. Really love the look of the LED. So what we're going to do here is simply pop this in place. Let's see. This one, you basically just slide it in. It snaps in place. That's on if I don't break it before I even put it in. And you simply just slide it back into the same hole. It fits, twist until you get it in place. Or you can get it in. Let's see. There it is. Twist it and you lock it back in place. Fog light is installed. Next, on to the daytime running light, which should be the same type of deal. You take it, twist it, and you pull it. Oh, that one's out. Okay, and the way these fit in, it will take me 2 hands, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna have to pull this one out with 2 hands. Sorry guys, I'm trying to look over the camera instead of on it. I'm gonna have to take this and just pull it loose. It's gonna take me 2 hands. All right guys, so basically on this, let's see if you can see it. Get my arm out the light. It has this little tab right here that my thumb is on. You basically push it in and you pull on the light, and the light slides right out. Here's what this light bulb looks like. Definitely old school, outdated, but I will say these lights have lasted for a long time. Here we have the 2 lights. The plug looks right. Maybe. Looks like the same, but you can tell. Regular halogen bulb. It's LED. It also has LEDs at the top, all along the side, so it should slide in here. All right, guys and gals, friends and pals, that one clicked right in place as well. So what we're gonna do, turn around, put it right, oh, damn tag out of the way, get out of the way. I don't know what the hell you are, get out of the way. Okay, that one's gonna go same way we took it out. Just gotta find the spot. That's the worst part, is finding the spot where you put it in. Oh, that ain't it. Okay, and it just twists back in place. All right, and that one's locked back in place. So now Moment of truth. Which do we like better?
First of all, y'all, I thought we was better than that. Why ain't y'all tell me I look like I was finna go rob somebody's house? Oh well. Y'all understand why I'm always at Chris's doing stuff. Because A, I live in an HOA. They cry about every fucking thing. Don't ever do it if you can help it. First mistake I made. Next, my garage is clutter fucked. Y'all find that out real quick. But it's the moment of truth. If y'all hear the dinging, that's because I had to cheat the system, figure out how to make each one of them shine. Or I could. No, it's not daylight, so my light's automatically gonna pop on. So I'll figure something out to make them both shine at the same time. But here it is, guys. Fog light first.
And now y'all see the difference. That's the new one versus the old. Do you understand why I wanted them? They match. I like a lot. That I don't. So we see how that looks. Now it's time for the daytime running light, which I know how to make that work. Overall, I'll have to give that one. I'll give it a 9 out of 10 because it's a little bit more blue than my halo ring. So I can live with it. Looks pretty good though. Alrighty, now it's time for the daytime running light. Let's see how it compares. Oh shit, now that one there is bright. That one I will give all of it. So if you can tell the difference, that's bright. Like really, really bright. So that one's a little bit more, no, that one's actually dead on, but my God, it's bright. So that one I'll give a 10. So overall, I mean, I'd say, I can live with both of them. I wish I can, there is a way to get them both to come on, but I'm gonna have to do it in the daylight. So that being said, the daytime running light, give a 10 out of 10. Which is, let's see, fog lights was the alla. I give them a 9 out of 10. It's okay. I'll give the alla I give it a 9 out of 10. This one I gave a 9 just because it was a little bit more blue than I would like, but it worked pretty good. And the ease of installation, the difficulty, I'll give it a 3 maybe, just because you have to, depends on how you want to do it. If you want to take the wheel off, that's why I'll give it a 3. Other than that, it's just like a 2. That's that. And then we have the IJDMtoy.com, the LED daytime running lights. These are the ones I gave a 10. They're super fucking bright, like goodness. And that's that. I'm gonna get the other side done, which it's pretty much the same process. You just have to reverse it. All right, y'all. That's the finished product with the fog lights. They're a little bit more blue than the headlights, but they'll do. I like them. I'll give that a thumbs up. All right, y'all. As far as the daytime running lights, things are bright. They match pretty good. So I'll give those a thumbs up as well.
All right, y'all, so that's gonna conclude this video. I just want to let y'all know I'm still around. I appreciate the support. I know I've been gone for a month or two, but between work, I was coaching Pee Wee football, dealing with my own issues. I just had a lot on my plate, so my cars and YouTube for the time being just had to hit the back burner until I got, situated. Due to COVID and all kind of other stuff, it's just made everything crazy, so I just haven't had time. But guys, I'm about to start posting again. I'm about to start getting back on the grind. I'm glad to see that I was gaining subscribers, even though I wasn't posting anything. Y'all were just going back looking at all my older videos, and I appreciate that. Like I said, I appreciate all of y'all. I love each and every one of y'all. Thanks for rocking with Olkellz. Like I always tell y'all got to be some kind of an outcast if you rock with me, because I'm an oddball. It's like everybody I hang around is an oddball, which shit, it ain't nothing wrong with being different. So I call myself an outcast. I don't try to fit in with nobody. I'm me 24/7. Anybody who actually knows me knows this. Like some of the shit I be saying on here, that's me 24/7. It's not an act for the camera. This is just me. So I have that kind of personality. Like, it's just it. So guys, as always, sprinkle a little love on the channel. Like, share, subscribe, and comment what y'all want to see below.